If you'd like to see what I eat in a day to lose 125 pounds, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name's Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm doing a what I ate in a day video. I'm going to start with my breakfast and go through lunch and dinner and a couple things of what I did in the day. Plus I have a very small Walmart haul with some foods that I am trying out and needing for a dinner that I'm making tonight. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, come on along and join me on my day ahead. I noticed this week my points dropped to only 24, so I'm only one away from the minimum that Weight Watcher gives out for your blue plan. So I have 24 points today. And with breakfast, I did a normal breakfast, which is usually around 5 points. And my lunch was a little bit higher because I had some leftovers from last night. But then for dinner, I'm doing a 1-point chicken meal, and it looks like it's going to be a good one. So I'll make that and let you know how it was. It was a recipe my daughter gave me, so I thought I'd try it out, and we'll see how that turns out. Of course, for breakfast, I always start off with an iced coffee. I use Stoke Cold Brew. I poured over ice, and today I'm using some almond milk, unsweetened vanilla. It's 0 points for half a cup. And I'll just pour a little bit of that in. I add 1 Sweet and Low packet. And then today I am using French vanilla creamer. It's sugar-free and it's 1 point. So that's what the coffee is. It's 1 point. Then for a splash of unsweetened flavor, I'm adding a chocolate coconut macaroon skinny syrup. And I just use a dash. Then I'll mix it up and enjoy it with my breakfast. So I bought these hash brown patties at Trader Joe's. They are 4 points a piece, and I like to cook them in the air fryer. They come out nice and crispy. And I cook them at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. And I'll flip them halfway through. I am making 2 fried eggs in a pan that I sprayed with cooking spray. I sprinkle it with some Trader Joe's onion salt for flavor. Then I will take out my hash browns. They are nicely browned, and when the eggs are ready to flip, I am going to try to flip them. It's amazing, after cooking for so long, I still have trouble flipping eggs. And that will be my breakfast. 2 fried eggs, the hash brown patty, and then I added a side of sliced bananas, and with the coffee, that comes out to be a 5-point breakfast. So I just got my breakfast done and took a shower, and now I'm off to get my second COVID-19 vaccine. So we'll have that over with, and then when I come back, hopefully I'll feel good, and I'll make some lunch and show you that. So I drove to Raymond James Stadium here in Tampa to get my vaccine. So you have to keep your mask on while you're in line. And it's going pretty fast, so very good setup. I stop at Walmart to get a few things and I end up spending 50 bucks. Why is that every time? Maybe I'll show it to you what stuff I got when I get back home. So here's my quick Walmart haul. I got some fat-free mozzarella cheese. That is 0 points for a 1/4 cup. The light Italian herb flat outs are 2 points for 1 flat out, and I use them as a pizza crust. And then I'm trying these La Banderita carb counter tortillas. They're only 1 point each. I got some fresh spinach for a recipe that I'm trying with chicken. I got 4 ears of corn on the cob. I got 2 containers of fresh Florida strawberries. And then I got this Quest salted caramel protein shake. It's 2 points each. I heard it was good and I'm going to try it in my iced coffee as a change. Then I got another stock cold brew coffee. I got 2 cucumbers, a Laughing Cow garlic and herb. They are 1 point per wedge and I'm using that for a recipe. I got poppables, sea salt and vinegar. These are 4 points per serving, which is 28 pieces. And then the Popcorners sweet and salty kettle corn. These are 5 points for about 17 chips. And they are really good. And I got some pizza sauce to make the pizza with the tortillas or the wraps. I have a spice I'm trying, a Kinder's a seasoning buttery burger blend. It looks good. It's only 0 calories. I got another container of eggs and some bananas. So that was my quick Walmart grocery haul for some recipes that I'm going to be doing. So lunch today is some leftover American goulash. I did a video on it, I'll link it above, and it is really good, and I had some cucumbers with it for 7 points. Tonight's dinner ingredients are chicken breast, a Laughing Cow garlic and herb cheeses, tomatoes, and some fresh spinach. I'm going to take each of the chicken breast and slice them open, stuff them with a couple slices of the tomato, add the cheese wedge and some spinach, and then I will tuck it in and I will do it to all 3 breasts, and each chicken breast would come out to be 1 point. Then when they're all stuffed, I'm going to put them on a baking sheet, which is a non-stick one. It's very good. I'll link it below, and I'm going to sprinkle it with some spices. I'm using salt and garlic pepper spice and some Italian seasoning. And then once those are done, I will put them on the non-stick tray, and then I'm going to finish it, all 3 of them, and I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and they come out very moist and juicy. I served it with an ear of corn and a side of quinoa brown rice mixture, and here's what the critic thought. What do you think of this chicken meal, Bill?
I'm surprised. It looks and really tastes like an expensive quality meal. It's good. It's better than good. It's great.
I'm trying to show what it looks like when you cut into it. It's got some of the tomato and the cheese melts. And it's really good. It's nice and juicy. I cooked it at about 350 degrees for about 45 minutes, and I made sure I checked the temperature. Yummy, yummy, yummy. For a crunchy snack tonight, I had 20 grams of the Trader Joe's Everything Pretzel Slims and 14 grams of salt and vinegar poppables. I'm gonna end the night with a Yasso bar. This is a sea salt and caramel, and it's only 4 points. These Yasso bars come in a lot of different flavors. This is a good one. I like the coffee one, and I like the butter pecan. Those are my favorite. 4 points. And I'm ending the day with 24 out of 24 points used. So one of the tips I use when I'm doing Weight Watchers is to try to plan out my points. So if I'm eating a heavier lunch, I will eat a lighter dinner, or vice versa. It's just one way to get through your points for the day. And sometimes maybe if you'd like to eat more at night, you just want to eat light lunch, 0-point lunches, and to get through, and so you have more of your points for the night. I know I've done that before, so I do it. It depends on the week, or the day, and I do it both ways. So I thought I'd share that little tip to help you plan your meals for the day, and you're trying to use only a certain number of points. And don't forget, use those weeklies, because that's what they're there for. Please comment below if you're going to try any of the meals I had today, and let me know what you thought of them. I really enjoy reading your comments, and it's great getting to know everybody. I appreciate the time you spent to watch my video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Any items I refer to, I will put them in the description box. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye!